How to add another account on Amazon Prime Video. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Amazon Prime Video and navigate to its website. After you are in the website, if you are already logged into your account, you can head over to the account and settings page. After you are already signed in, if you want to add another account, for that, at the top right corner, you can see your account's icon. Tap on it. If you want to add profiles, you can go to this Manage Profile section, and over here, you can tap on this Add New option. You can add a new profile over here. If you want to add completely new accounts, what you can do is, in this menu, over here you can see the Sign Out option. Tap on it. After you are logged out of your account, now you can add another account by signing in again. Tap on the Sign In option. It'll take you to the login page. Now enter your email address or your phone number over here. Now tap on Continue. Now you will need to provide the password related to your account. After that, you can tap on the Sign In option and you will be able to add another account into your Amazon Prime Video app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.